I am the future that was born 100 years ago. I am the purpose that emerged with India's independence to be a force for business that makes doing good our business. Towards an independence where knowledge sets us free. To think big and achieve bigger. To take India to the world and the world to India. Creating pathways of self-reliance. To stand for progress, the planet and the people. Towards a future made perfect. And be a force creating abundance. Because independence is not a moment in history. It's a never-ending path to prosperity. Aditya Birla Group, a force for good.
Let's take a look at what the survey actually says. Opinion poll for assembly elections. BJP vote percentage 35.2%. Congress 31.6%, JJP 12.4%, others 20.8%. That's the way it's stacked. BJP has an advantage, Congress not far behind. Manoj ji, I want to first ask you. Are you saying that BJP, despite 2 rounds of anti-incumbency, will have a larger vote share? सबसे पहले तो ये सी का आप जवाब दे दीजिए, क्योंकि जब पोल गलत होंगे तो ये सुरक्षा वाली बात इसी मुद्दे पे आ जाएगी।
देखिए, एक चीज जो अभी प्रवक्ता जेजेपी का उन्होंने कहा कि हम नवाब सी सैनी की बात करते हैं, लेकिन सबसे ज्यादा वहां पे किसी ने इमेज बीजेपी का खराब किया तो खट्टर ने किया। ये बात को मैसेज और हमारे सर्वे में भी आता है, लेकिन कठिनाई वहां पे अभी सबसे बड़ी बात है कि एक आम आदमी पार्टी की एंट्री हो रही है और आम आदमी पार्टी जितना वहां स्ट्रांग होते जाएगी, जेजेपी और कांग्रेस दोनों के लिए बहुत बड़ी समस्या होने जा रही है। और मनोहर लाल खट्टर की तरह बीजेपी को हराएंगे ये मुझे नहीं पता, लेकिन इतना मैं जरूर कहूंगा कि आम आदमी पार्टी ये दोनों लोगों के लिए खतरा रहेंगे। और आगे जो सर्वे का रिपोर्ट ये कर रहे हैं कि पब्लिक का जो सपोर्ट इस तरह से नहीं मिला, करप्शन इतने थे, इस बात को कोई नहीं नकार रहा, लेकिन जिस तरीके से वहां छोटा स्टेट है, 2 सीटों और 3 सीटों का काफी महत्व होता है।
चलिए, ये बताने से पहले नंबर्स प्रोजेक्ट करते हैं। लेट्स पुट द नंबर्स आउट on the screen, and there are the numbers on the screen. 37 to 42 for the BJP, Congress 33 to 38, JJP 3 to 8, and others 7 to 12. It's a 90 seat assembly, where if you take the mean of the BJP, it will remain short of the halfway mark. The Congress also short of the halfway mark. Gaurav Bhatia, once again hit and miss for the BJP.
Now you said it would be a miss for the BJP. No, it would not be a miss. The results would be a bliss for the BJP. And bliss for a reason. One, the track record of the Bharatiya Janata Party, after being the incumbent for the last 10 years, in Goa and in Uttarakhand, especially in Uttarakhand, people said since the formation of the state, no government has been formed 3 times successively. Bharatiya Janata Party did that. And in Haryana also, I respect the numbers shown, but I will tell you something. We are very sure that the Bharatiya Janata Party will form the government in Haryana. And there are reasons. Reasons are, first, people want a good coordination, a double engine ki sarkar from the center and the state government. Modi ji has definitely gone out of his way to ensure that the interest of the farmers, people of Haryana, is taken care of. And very recently, let's not forget the announcement of MSP on 24 crops by the CM, Naib Singh Sani ji, has been well received by the farmers of Haryana. 2, most importantly, when we are united, we are speaking in one voice, whether it is the CM or Khattar ji, the Congress has divided factions. Faction of Huda ji, faction of Kumari Shailja, as well as Let's not forget Randeep Surjewala, the master destroyer.
Tehseen,
No, I'm just
factionalism,
saying.
is that the biggest challenge for the Congress party?
Yes, it
between Huda, Surjewala, Kumari Selja?
Yes, it will.
Because you're close, but that is one area where the Congress can be on the back foot.
Yes, it will be. So I think that the Congress, and this will be where Rahul Gandhi ji, Priyanka Gandhi ji and Kharge ji's leadership will be tested. You're absolutely right, and the survey is also right. If the party is absolutely united, these votes that JJP is getting, the 12% vote, 12% mil raha hai, will completely come to the Congress, because that vote, the JJP vote and the Congress vote, is absolutely not going to the BJP. So that's one. Second thing, Navika ji, I just want you on air to check with your coordinators. Whenever I want to do a show from Gurugram, they take 3 hours to send a unit. That is how bad Gurugram is just now.
नाविका, मैं 2 पॉइंट कहना चाहूंगा. नंबर 1, ये कैसी डेमोक्रेसी है, और यहां मैं जनरली बोल रहा हूं, जहां पे पोस्ट पोल अलायंसेस इलीगल नहीं है. इट इज अ डिसग्रेस एज फार एज डेमोक्रेसी इज कंसर्न्ड. बीजेपी अब ये समझ गई है, भय बिन होए ना जीत. ये जो लोगों को कह रहे थे रेवड़ी रेवड़ी दे रहे हैं, पूरे कह रहे हैं हम देश में एमएसपी लागू हर क्रॉप पे नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि देश बर्बाद हो जाएगा, बैंकरप्ट हो जाएगा. ये हरियाणा में क्यों कर रहे हैं हर क्रॉप्स में?